Good morning, it's April 1st, 2026. I'm Dr. Deukmedjian, CEO and founder at Deuk Spine. I'm sitting here with a patient who came to Deuk Spine Institute with horrible neck pain on the left side of his neck. And I diagnosed him with facet syndrome, cervical facet syndrome, which is basically pain that comes from joints called facet joints. And facet joints normally move with rotation and extension and flexion and lateral bending. So they move normally with the normal movements. You have 14 of them in your neck. And what happens in life is we get injuries to our body. One injury can happen to the neck where the facet joint capsule tears and your body tries to heal it, but unsuccessful because you're still moving your neck around every day, so you really can't heal back. You just get inflammation that builds up in there, and over time, pain and stiffness in those joints. So that's what this patient presented with, and we did his Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy, which is the only permanent rhizotomy treatment available in the world. And you came from Georgia to have it done. How do you feel?
I feel perfect. Like before, I could not lift my hand like this. I would feel pain when I'm lifting box. Pain is totally gone.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
No pain meds either.
No pain meds. I'm shocked, actually.
What was life like for you before you came here?
I used to work out a lot, do pull-ups and all that stuff, and then for 5 years, I stopped. I saw 3 orthopedic surgeons. The first one wanted to do fusion, the second one wanted to do 2 fusion, and the last one wanted to do disc repair. He did an EMG from here to here and still wanted to do the disc repair.
So what you're saying is the surgeons you saw in Georgia, all 3 of them wanted to do invasive surgery on your neck. We did our surgery with a 4mm incision. We did no fusions, no metal, no biologics, all natural. We just destroyed the pain nerves. And that is all you needed to have done. So tell me about your consultation that you did. You did a virtual consultation over the internet on Zoom with me. How did that go for you?
That was really easy. That's why I was so surprised, because Dr. Deuk told me to turn left, turn right, do you feel pain? And I feel nothing, no pain. Down my arm, no sensation. And that's when he told me, hey, you misdiagnosed, this is facet. And that's it, I'm the proof right now, look at this.
Yeah, he's a happy man. And so what I'm saying is he was misdiagnosed by the other surgeons. So not only did they recommend highly invasive surgery like cervical fusion, ACDF, artificial disc, but also they misdiagnosed the source of his symptoms. And that's the most important thing Deuk Spine Institute can provide people, is the correct diagnosis to the cause of your symptoms. And that's what we did with you. We realized your pain was not coming from a disc injury like it happens 90% of the time. You were in that 10% of patients with facet joint symptoms. And once I recognized that based on your examination on Zoom, I realized all we had to do was go in and treat the facet joints with our Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy, our patented procedure only available here at Deuk Spine. What's life going to be like for you now that your neck is fixed?
Gonna go work in the yard, do everything that I couldn't do before. And the thing is also, I want to tell you guys, it's permanent. It's not radio frequency, so.
That's right, that's right. 5 years of neck pain, gone.
Gone.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy life, my friend.